What's up, guys? I am back. I know it has been the fattest minute, like almost 3 months, but you know, it happens. I am back. That's all that matters. Back and better than ever. Not really, but I'm still back. So that's good. I am here today to unbox my, what month are we? August. My August Boxycharm. This is gonna be my third box I have ever received. I just decided to get it because I've had Ipsy before, but I'm not a fan of how small the products were. So I kind of, Well, I have been impressed so far with Boxycharm. A lot of the products I continuously use every day. I'm already planning on continuing buying like a specific product that I've had that's bomb. You know what? Let me just show you guys real quick. This was in my July box. I got this vitamin C brightening booster. This, I love it. Like, my acne has been acting really weird since, you know, I have asthma and my inhaler and whatnot has been making me break out. So I stopped using my inhaler. I've been trying to like do a little more natural stuff. And this, I swear, has been helping my skin so much. And it's by Clean Skin Club, by the way. Right there. Buy it. Oh my god, it is so hot. I feel like I'm already starting to sweat. It's like, if I open the window, we could hear my neighbors. If I turn on my fan, you could hear my fan. It's just, it's not the biz. So I'm gonna just try to get through this and not sweat, okay? All right, so now to the unboxing of August Boxycharm box. Yeah, so I have the one that's like $25 a month. Don't mind my knife. This is the one I use all the time when I open my packages and stuff. It's like not even, I mean, I can still like, you know, if I need it, but it's not very like sharp wise because the tape has like messed it up pretty bad. This is the one that's $25 a month, okay? So this is like the cheapest one. It comes, I believe, with like 4 products. I think we'll count them right now, but this is the cheapest one, and so far I've been very impressed with the quality versus how much I'm paying for it, you know? Okay, so, oh, it's already telling me what I got. I never look at these. I just like, and like look at the products. So first item I'm gonna show you guys is gonna be this. This is a blue light protection mask. Helps shield harmful, high-energy, visible blue light from tablet, laptop, smartphone, television, LED light, and computer screen. So this is what brand? Mud Masky. This is weird. I've never heard of something like this. You know what? That might be causing breakouts. I'm all dying and shit. This might be causing breakouts. What exactly is it? It blocks high energy visible light from digital devices like smartphones and laptops up to 94%. Made especially for people that spend a lot of time behind a computer screen. Prevents premature skin aging caused by HEV light. Wow. So everything messes with your skin. Literally everything. What you consume, your medication, the sun, like everything. And now it's including your screen. So this is interesting. I don't even know how I would use this. So you leave it on during the day. So I'm assuming it goes under your makeup. It says, wash your hands and face, apply a thin layer to your face, leave the face mask on during day. But it's not very specific, like if you could like apply moisturizer after makeup, you know, it just says that. So I'm not sure if you have to use it by itself. I would have to like, you know, Google it, look at reviews and whatnot. So this is interesting. I don't know if I like it yet. The Mud Masky, by the way, wow, this is normally $54. So next item is going to be Thank Me Later Eyeshadow Primer. Right there. It's cute. I really like the packaging. It's cute. I like it. Thank Me Later Eyeshadow Primer. This right here, where is it? Is $20. Normally, like I said, the box is $25. This alone is $20. Worth it. Totally worth it. Okay, so next, I have been so like anxious to try this. I love this brand. I've only ever gotten it with Ipsy, to be honest. I've never really like bought in their products. but I've been hearing really good stuff about their concealer. And this is the, oops, let me put it back in. This is the Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Right here. I've heard really good things about this. It's hydrating, long-wearing, photo-friendly, non-comedogenic. That's what I like to hear, non-comedogenic. It has coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid. Nice. Wow, okay. Oh, it's a twist. Oh. I thought it was a pump. My dumbass. This is cool. I like that. I like to smell makeup because sometimes it smells like paint. And oh, the concealer itself is $29. $29. I need a fan break real quick. Next is going to be this Clarins Paris Velvet Lip Perfector. Let's see that. Yeah, you can see it right there. It has a velvety matte color. It holds blur effect and smooth lips, ultralight, creamy texture, and extreme comfort. Oh, okay. Kind of want to try this right now. Oh, it's like a, it has like a little brush at the end. That's weird. Okay. Ooh, my makeup's starting to get all cakey because I'm sweating. Let's see. Oh, it looks matte. But this seems very nice. I like this. I'm going to be using this pretty often. This right here is going to be $26. And the last thing we got is going to be a Butter London Teddy Boy 9-piece eyeshadow palette. Right there. I really like this Teddy Boy. I've never heard of that. A ver. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna like this. Look at that, how cute. I feel like you pop it open like, oh, that is so cute. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna make it seem like you guys are opening it. Oh no, but then this is falling. Let me just take that off. Okay, let's try again. Take two. Look at how cute that is. That is so cute. It says, looking good, darling. I love that. That is so cute. The colors seem very nice. These are like more my colors. Like I'm not really one for like blues and pinks and this. I mean, pinks, yeah, but more like a neutral pink, more like soft colors. Let's swatch a couple of them just to see. Okay. So this one's a Archie. I don't know if you guys look at it. Looks pretty glittery, pretty, very pretty. I'm gonna do this Freddy right here. It looks kind of like a bluish purple gray. Like I don't even know how to describe it, but okay. It looks more purple, but it's really pretty too. Oh my god, why did I swatch it that way? Oh, it looks very nice. They're very pigmented. Like I feel like, I mean, obviously I'm using my fingers, but I feel like the brush would pick it up very nicely. But this is so pretty. I really like the packaging. Packaging alone, I'd buy it. Just the packaging. This palette right here is going to be $28. I'd buy this. I'm very picky. Like, you know, whenever I buy packages like Boxycharm and stuff like that, where they send you products to try, you know, and stuff like that, it's very rare that I'll continuously buy that same product that was sent to me. Like I said, that oil, I'm gonna buy that again. The vitamin C, this I really hope I like, and if I like, I'm actually gonna be continuously buying it because I never know what brands to try, and I feel like Boxycharm just kind of throws them at you like, here, just try this, and then you're kind of like, all right, I'll try it, and then you end up falling in love with it. Like I don't buy Too Faced or MAC or, you know, more like those higher end brands. I buy more brands that are like, you know, Walmart, Target. Like I don't really splurge on products if I don't even know the quality of it. If you're like me, Boxycharm and Ipsy, it's really good to try it because you don't even know what they're gonna send you. You're just gonna try whatever they send you and you might be blessed and get something you've been wanting to try. I'm gonna try this tomorrow. This I really like, so I might be buying this, honestly. This though, I don't know. I probably won't be buying this because this is just weird. I'm gonna look up the reviews honestly first because I want to know people that have tried it and actually did improve their skin, didn't improve their skin. You know, I'm very curious about this. I got some pretty decent products today. Alright guys, so that's gonna be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet. I would appreciate it so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video.